Look at Injective. We're on a 3-day chart here. I left this exactly where we left the last video. We called for a bottom in here, and it has definitely held up. Okay, if we take a Fibonacci and pull it up here, yeah, right between the 702 and 786, that a bottom is in. All right, there's a couple other things I want to show you here that are big that you definitely want to pay attention to. Okay, if you take Elliott waves here, you can clearly see you got 1, 2, 3, 4, and a fifth wave. How do I know that's a fifth wave? Well, if you take a measurement with a fib tool, put it on top of your 4, bring it down, or top of your 3, I'm sorry, bring it down to your 4, a 1618 is a target for a fifth wave. All right, the $55, it came up to 53. That's a fifth wave. Okay, so you have 5 waves in. Then you're looking for a corrective structure in here. Okay, normally you get ABCs. You can clearly see here, you got 5 waves down here. You have this wick down. I'm kind of just going to ignore that, but you can clearly see you got 5 waves in here. Any way you look at it, okay. 1, 2, right in here. Take this movement right here. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, and a fifth wave there. All right, now you can see this definitely wicked lower. Let's take a look here and see if that is a fifth wave. We're going to deal with the closed candles on this because the volatility right through here was crazy. All right. Well, I guess we could use them. That's too much. You can see either way. If you don't use the wicks, it hit a 1618, a 2361. If you end up using these wicks, I just don't. I totally believe that's a fifth wave. This one here could have been a drop in Bitcoin, a price in Bitcoin, pulling everything down here. Kind of avoid wicks like that. Even for the Fibonacci move. If you put a look for that pullback that we had here, go from your swing low to your swing high. I would rather look at this one over here than this wick down here. I believe that's probably should have been our true bottom right here. Okay, so looks like, and also we have a break of resistance in here. Let's go in on a 4-hour chart. We have a lot of good stuff going on here, so don't leave, guys. Please hit the like and subscribe. If you want to learn how to do this stuff, this charting, sign up for level 3. It's only $15. We have over 200 members in the members group, almost 5,000 subs and growing. So come join us. You get 22 videos, over 9 hours of videos, plus a link to the Discord. So definitely worth your money. You'll get your money's worth out of that. I guarantee it. You come down here, you can see a breakout of resistance right through here. There you go. You got 1, 2, 3 touches. A valid trend line through here. Could put it right here actually, and you can see a break. Okay, now this is going more than likely to head up towards a 618 retracement. All right, so if we put a fib on here, a 618 is up at, we're going to have pulled over here so we can see the price, around $40, $39, $40 to 42, 43. That is a rise of, from here, 55 to 65%. All right, that's a nice pop. You got a daily RSI that's bullish. You got a weekly that is at a 2.5 and a 2.8. It is ready to turn up. We're looking down here at the bottom, down there at the RSI, the relative strength index. If we look at the 3-day, the 3 days bullish, 15 and a 9. If your blue number is bigger than your orange, you're bullish. All right, the 5-day is also bullish, a 3.05 and a 3.61. Let's look at the fair value gaps here. Do we have anything that needs filled? All right, this one here is filled up. We have one here that we'll fill on the way up here. Geez, I heard a fly past me there. Scared the heck out of me. Not my office in the garage here doing my videos, but we have a fair value gap right up here, which will get closed on the way up. All right, now let's get that off here. Let's take a look at the 50 and the 200. See what's going on here. That would be right. Oops, I apologize. There we go. 50 and 200s are right down here. That's our 50, the red line right here, and the 200 is the green down there. So holding right up, we're just right above that 50. Okay, you can see in here, so that's good news there. Now, as far as these RSIs go, like I said, expect a pullback up to, let's pull this over, up to that $40 to $43 range. What happens after that, we'll have to see. I'm sure it. Let me get this in here, and then I can start talking. But I just want to get this price block in here, right up in here. All right. And if it breaks through $45, the next target up is about $75 for Injective. So we'll wait till it gets up here. It's going to take some time. It's going to work 5 waves up, more than likely. The market moves in waves, Elliott waves. You know, it doesn't go straight up. Anything goes straight up comes straight back down. Heard that a long time ago, and it is absolutely true. If you get a big, huge candle, head straight up, count on it coming straight back down. Pretty, you know, and over time, if it takes time, sometimes they just go straight up and just crash right back down. But in these fair value gaps, you always close them. This one's closed down here. You always end up closing these things. It's crazy how price is like a magnet to them, but it really is. Jimmy, a member of the community, he turned me on to these fair value gaps, and I never really paid much attention to them, but they definitely work. They always go back and fill the gap. So keep an eye on Injective, guys. Looking very, very good. Please hit the like and subscribe, and I'll be back to you soon.